Frontier Fiber is rolling out some of the fastest home internet available today with their Fiber 5 gig plan, promising an internet experience that's going to leave traditional cable in the dust. The backbone of Frontier's offering is its 100% fiber optic network, designed for lightning fast speeds, whether streaming, gaming, or running a busy household filled with devices. The main attraction here is serious firepower. Download and upload speeds that go up to 5 gigabits per second, which is about 16 times faster than what most cable providers can offer. And that's not just marketing hype, that's a game changer for anyone who needs instant uploads, glitch-free video calls, or wants to future-proof the home's internet for years to come. Speed isn't the only thing in Frontier's favor. The plan includes unlimited data and absolutely no caps, so there's no need to constantly check usage or worry about surprise overage fees later in the month. Free installation is part of the package, taking the sting out of setup costs, and every account gets the premium eero Max 7 router, which is no average box. It's built for the newest Wi-Fi 7 standard. That means better coverage, less buffering, and a signal that can actually reach every room even when everyone in the house is online at once. Plus, up to 2 extenders can be added without hassle, keeping dead zones at bay. For multi-device households, this makes a tangible difference. Think simultaneous 4K streams, big gaming downloads, massive file sharing, or work from home setups that rely on constant video and never seeing a slowdown. The ultra-fast upload speeds really stand out for people who upload large files, stream content, or back up data to the cloud, which is something cable just can't compete with. Frontier also stands out for its approach to customer service, offering 24/7 technical support for when things inevitably go sideways. Their promise of transparent pricing, no hidden fees, and no sudden cost jumps is a breath of fresh air in an industry notorious for confusing bills and gotcha charges. And right now, there's a little something extra. Customers save $120 on YouTube TV for their first year, adding even more value by bundling live TV with their internet plan. But there are things to keep in mind before making the switch. Frontier's Fiber 5 gig isn't available everywhere. Coverage is expanding, but those outside the current fiber footprint can't take advantage just yet. Some plans may come with 12-month commitments to access certain perks like free installation or gift cards, and while fiber internet is fast, installation will require a technician visit, which could mean coordinating schedules and possibly waiting for the next available slots. In summary, Frontier Fiber 5 gig is all about speed, capacity, and simplicity, aiming to remove nearly every pain point users have suffered with cable internet. For homes with lots of devices, streaming habits, or people working and learning remotely, this plan opens up a whole new level of internet performance. It's especially appealing for those who want to stop worrying about overages or throttling and want a network designed for future tech. Just keep in mind the limitations of availability and the possible time needed to get new service installed. Still, if reliable, high-speed fiber is a must for a busy household, this is a plan that can genuinely transform the home internet experience. Just be sure to double-check service availability in your area and weigh if the speed boost matches the internet needs and budget.